Discover the Air Jordan 4 Flight Club, a modern reinterpretation of the iconic 1989 Tinker Hatfield design that bridges classic heritage and contemporary style. This pair elevates sneaker culture with a sail upper that shifts between cream and ivory depending on the light, blending smooth leather and soft nubuck for a rich, evolving texture. Black accents flowing across the midsole and outsole sharpen the silhouette, while the bold red Jumpman on a grey tongue patch delivers an instantly recognizable detail. At the back, the nostalgic Nike Air logo pays tribute to the original lineage, enhanced by a layered red and black outsole built with classic herringbone traction for reliable performance. Even the insole brings artistic depth, featuring a monochrome photographic print with a striking red Jumpman. The Flight Club colorway isn't just a reissue, it's a refined evolution that connects past and present, offering sophistication, solid craftsmanship, and standout visual appeal for today's sneaker enthusiasts.